how to fix Spotify login error. So if you'd like to fix login errors on Spotify, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is open up the Spotify app, right? So if you're having any type of login issues, it could be due to many reasons. First off is your internet connection. So we want to make sure our internet is working just fine and make sure it's not that issue. Second of all, it could be the application issue. So you can just long press the Spotify app icon, tap on the I button to come to the app info page. Then from here you can simply go to storage, go to the clear cache option, and you can also make sure to clear the data. So once you clear the cache files and data, then from there you'll be able to successfully reset the app. Last of all, it could be that your credentials are incorrect. So login issues usually happens when your password and login details are correct. Unfortunately, however, you cannot reset your password from the Spotify app, by the way, so you have to reset it from your browser. So you can visit your browser and go to spotify.com and go to the reset password button to reset your existing password if you happen to forget your password. Other than that, you should be able to log in if all of your credentials are correct. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.